The Insta360 X6 has just leaked, and if these details turn out to be true, it could be the biggest upgrade we've ever seen in Insta360's flagship 360 camera lineup. We're talking larger 1/1.1 inch sensors, stunning 8K at 50 frames per second recording, a bigger battery, and an even more compact design. So, is the Insta360 X6 worth waiting for? Let's find out. If you love 360 cameras, action cameras, and the latest camera technology, make sure to subscribe because we bring you the newest leaks, reviews, and tech updates. According to the latest leaks, the Insta360 X6 is getting a redesigned body that's actually smaller and lighter than the current X5. It reportedly weighs just 195 grams, making it even easier to carry during travel, adventure, or everyday content creation. What's even more impressive is that despite the smaller body, Insta360 is rumored to have packed in a larger 2,600 mAh battery. That means you could get up to 233 minutes of recording time, which is a noticeable improvement over the Insta360 X5. If you spend long hours filming outdoors, this could be one of the most useful upgrades. The biggest change, however, is expected to be the camera hardware. The Insta360 X6 is rumored to feature dual 1/1.1 inch sensors, which are larger than those found in the X5. Larger sensors generally deliver better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and sharper image quality, making this an exciting upgrade for both creators and photographers. Speaking of photos, the leaks also suggest the camera could capture 120 megapixel, 360-degree images, offering incredible detail for immersive photography. Video performance is also getting a major boost. According to the leaked specifications, the Insta360 X6 will support 8K video recording at 50 frames per second, a significant jump from the X5's maximum of 8K at 30 frames per second. This should result in smoother and more detailed footage, especially during fast-moving scenes. For action camera users, the X6 is also rumored to support 4K recording at 120 frames per second in single-lens mode, making high-quality slow-motion videos easier than ever. That's not all. Other leaked features include 10-bit video recording, Dolby Vision support, PureVideo mode for improved low-light performance, iLog for greater color grading flexibility, Adaptive Tone 2.0 for better exposure, and even 11K time-lapse recording. If these features make it into the final product, the Insta360 X6 could become one of the most powerful 360 cameras on the market. Of course, all these upgrades are expected to come with a higher price. The leaks suggest the Insta360 X6 could start at around €700, while bundle versions may cost even more. It's important to remember that these are still leaked specifications, and Insta360 has not officially confirmed them yet. We'll have to wait for the official announcement to know exactly what the company has planned. But based on everything we've seen so far, the Insta360 X6 is shaping up to be a major upgrade with larger sensors, smoother 8K 50 video, longer battery life, improved imaging features, and a more compact design. So, what do you think about the Insta360 X6? Are you excited about these rumored upgrades, or do you think the Insta360 X5 is still good enough? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this Insta360 X6 first look, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more camera leaks, reviews, and the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.